Hello everyone! Welcome back! Today I'm gonna share directional blur transition tutorial. This is how it's gonna look like. So let's get started. Get your clips ready. Click on the first clip and go to Effects. Then click on Add Effects and search Tiles. Turn on the mirror. Now again add Effect and search Oscillate. Set the angle 0. Click on Frequency and add a keyframe. Drag the keyframe about 10 deciseconds apart from the start. Add another keyframe at the start. And set frequency about 13 hazards. Bring the pointer line between both keyframes. Click on Graphs and select the third graph. Follow the shape as shown. Then click on Magnitude and add a keyframe. Set the magnitude 0. Then drag the keyframe 0.10 second apart from the start. Add another keyframe at the start and set the magnitude about 600 at this keyframe. Bring the pointer line between both keyframes and click on Graphs. Select the third graph and follow the shape as shown. Now add Effect and search Exposure/Gamma. Add a keyframe at start and set Exposure 1 at this keyframe. Add another keyframe a bit apart from the end of the clip. Set Exposure 0 at this keyframe. And another keyframe at the end. Exposure -2 at this keyframe. Add Effect and search Directional Blur. Add a keyframe at the start. Another about 0.10 second apart. And set Strength 0 at this keyframe. Click on Angle and set the angle 45. Again, click on Strength, bring the pointer line between both keyframes and click on Graph. Select the third graph and follow the shape as shown. Click on the 3 dots and then click on Copy Effects. Go to the second clip, then go to Effects and paste Effects. Paste the effects in rest of the clips as well. And we're done. Result. Hope you liked this video. If it was helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe this channel for more useful content. Thank y'all.